guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, and today I'm here to review a Nachos product. And I personally absolutely love nachos, and I'm sure most of you guys do. And there are times when I actually crave for good nachos, and hence I thought of picking up this product, and it is the Act 2 Nachos. This is in the green mango salsa flavor. It looks something like this. It has a quite a lot of amount of air in it, as you can see. But yeah, this is how it looks. And as mentioned already, since I'm a very big nacho lover, this is gonna be a treat for me. I'm really looking forward to trying this one. I've tried different Act 2 nachos. I've also mentioned a blog on these nachos, so you can definitely check out the link in the description box below. But I didn't try this flavor, so I got my hands on this to try this one. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that bell icon near it so you do not miss any upcoming videos of mine. This one is available, I think, on Amazon, Flipkart. Like, it has a good online presence rather than the offline presence. I'm not really sure of how available it is on the general grocery stores. You can definitely get this in the supermarkets. I think it will be available there. So yeah, so this one retails for rupees 30, which is a nice price point. It is not very expensive and it's not very cheap, and it gives you 60 grams of product in it. I'll also show you how much nachos comes out of this packet. And yeah, that's about it. And this is the amount of nachos that came out of this packet. I have my nachos with me. Let's try them. So firstly, I'll try the nachos all itself, and then I'll pair it with this garlic dip to see how it tastes exactly with or without any dip. So we've tasted them, and to be really honest, they actually taste like kacha mango. So if you remember, you might have tried that kacha mango goli which used to come, and I used to love it, the kacha mango candy, and it tastes a lot like that. So apart from the fact that that was sweet and this is not, this tastes a lot like that. You can actually taste the flavor of raw mango in this one. This absolutely justifies its name, the green mango salsa nachos. So it is really sour, it is spicy, it is flavorful, it is bursting with flavors, and it's an awesome nachos. I liked these nachos all by themselves. Like, you can absolutely munch on these nachos alone and you do not need anything else. Rather, they did not pair very well with the garlic dip for me, so I won't have them with garlic dip. You can definitely pair these with cheese sauce and they are gonna taste delicious, and you're gonna absolutely enjoy yourself. You won't really need an add-on salsa over it because it already is very sour in itself. So yeah, you can skip on salsa and simply enjoy them with cheese sauce. This product gets a 3.5 star from me because it's really nice, it's flavorful and all of those things, but it is slightly expensive for rupees 30. I have seen better products in market, so yeah, it's not a bad product at all, not at all. So you can definitely try these nachos and you're not gonna regret it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below of how did you like today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon so you do not miss any upcoming videos from me. You can follow me on Instagram to stay connected with me on a daily basis. The link for my Instagram and Facebook handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.